glow with Alaa!
Yay!
Hello, amazing little artists. Today, we're going to have fun learning how to trace letters from A to Z. Grab your pencil, crayon, or marker, and let's get started.
B. Start with a straight line down. Now go back to the top and draw. One round-bellied at the top and one round-bellied at the bottom. B is done. Fantastic. This is small b. Start with a straight line down. Now go back up and make a round belly on the right. Great job with your lowercase b. B is for butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful creatures with colorful wings that flutter through the air. Repeat with me. Ba, 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 butterfly.
Great job. Now, you know that the letter B is the beginning of the beautiful butterfly. Keep practicing your letter B, and soon you'll be writing about all sorts of butterflies. See you soon. Bye.
Grow and glow with Alaa!
Yay!
If you loved the story and want to hear more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you had as much fun as I did, tap the bell so you'll always know when the next story is ready. See you soon.